In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password on iPhone. So if you want to change your lock screen password or Face ID password, then for that we need to firstly open settings, and after that we need to scroll down here until we find an option called Face ID and passcode. Just click on it and now enter the passcode you are currently using, and once you enter it, then it will show you this option. Now here we need to again scroll, and then you will find this option of change passcode. When you click on it, then again we need to enter our current passcode. Next we have to set our new passcode, but before you set it, remember that you can only change your passcode after 72 hours. So if you change it now, then you will be able to change it after 3 days. And if you want to change this passcode option, then for that click on passcode options, and from this option you can set 4-digit, 6-digit numeric code, or you can even set a custom numeric code. Or if you want to add any letters to it, then choose custom alphanumeric code, and then you will be able to add letters between your numbers. But I don't want to set my passcode now, that's why I'm just gonna cancel here. But let's say you want to change your Apple ID passcode for your Apple account, then for that we need to go back from here, again go back, and now go to the top of your settings, and under it we need to click on our Apple account. And when you click on it, then here we need to click on sign in and security, and under it we'll be able to see an option of change password. Here just click on it, and now enter your current iPhone passcode, and after that it will verify it, and then we'll be able to set a new password for our iPhone, so that when we log in on our MacBook or iPad, then we'll be able to enter this password for our Apple account. So firstly we need to enter the new password, then retype that password, and also make sure that your passcode contains 8 characters, which includes number, uppercase letter and lowercase letters. So these are the things which need to be in your password, and just click on continue, and your password will be added on your Apple account. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.